I'm Roy. Today I'm going to share about the relationship between demand management, order management, and customer service. The definition of demand management is referred to the creation across the supply chain and its market of a coordinated flow of demand. The key element of demand management is demand forecasting. There are three types of demand forecasting models, include judgmental, time series, and cause and event. The judgmental forecasting means a predict method is based on personal factors, estimation, and views. Time series method is using past data and assume patterns from the past will remain in the future. Causal methods is while the past data is available and there is a connection among the things to be predicted in and other factors. There are some problems about the demand management. Skills of forecasting selection are decided by different factors. Choosing the wrong method will decrease the accuracy of prediction. The accuracy of forecast can create an important logistics impact. It will create extra or lack of stock. The definition of order management is an event that happen in the time a firm obtain the order while a factory notifies ship products to fill in an order. There are four stages of order cycle, include order transmittal, processing, picking and assembly, and the delivery. Order transmittal means the set of activities happen among while clients make or send an order and the seller gets the order. Order processing means the seller obtains the order to a suitable location that is authorized to fill the order. In addition, order picking and assembly means using the best chance to improve effect and ability of order cycle. The definition of order delivery is the period from while a transporter picks up the delivery until it is obtained by the client. In order to improve the process of order management, a logistics manager should use electronic transmittal to replace phone or fax and use cross-docking method to accelerate the delivery. Customer services means the ability of logistics management to satisfy users in terms of time, dependability, and convenience. In order to improve customer service, logistic practice can be a possible solution. Managing is as important to customer services as well. Firms should regulate data sources to be used to include order delivery and processing data. In order to manage customer service, customer consideration is very important to logistics managers. Includes customer profitability analysis, which is the distribution of incomes and costs to segment of clients or separate customers to calculate the profit of the segment or customers. If the performance of organization does not satisfy the expectation of customers, it will become service failure and recovery. The relationship between demand management, order management, and customer services can be divided by two parts to answer. Firstly, we're going to explain the relationship between demand management and order management first. There is a relationship to link order management and demand prediction. A firm is not only to wait until orders arrive to understand what is going on. That means firms need to have a well preparation in order to get many orders. If a firm would like to have a prediction, it must have a scale of sales and stock inventories. A forecast are made by sales and inventories that are stocked. Therefore, a business can use a satisfied method to fill orders. Secondly, I'm going to talk about the relationship between order management and customer service. It is believed that there is a key relationship between order management and customer service. Lots of firms will analyze the standards of customer service by stages of order cycle. Organizations need to reduce the time of order cycle to solve the time problem. To sort out the dependability, firms need to make the order cycle consistency, make the delivery safe and complete the delivery. In order to improve the communication and convenience, a business should have a valid communication with customers, and doing business with seller easily. Finally, there is a relationship between demand management, order management, and customer service. It is believed that there is a rule of demand management is to be confirm, understand what customer wants, and try to prevent exceeds or lack of supply, while a firm already know wants of customer. The management can estimate the best method to facilitate the product. It is believed that the purpose of customer is not only to determine the satisfaction of customer for improvement. It needs to help customers and assist them as well. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.